Attention Melbourne tech enthusiasts, are you ready to elevate your network management skills? Join us for the DrayTek Network Management and Maintenance Workshop on Wednesday, August 6th, 2025 at the Sandbelt Club Hotel in Moorabbin. This hands-on workshop is tailored for DrayTek resellers and network administrators aiming to deepen their expertise. Experience a full day of interactive learning covering the latest DrayTek models, configuration techniques and maintenance best practices. Delve into essential topics like maintenance tasks in DrayTek routers, such as working through the system maintenance menu options and various ways to upgrade the firmware. We'll also look at software management tools and diagnostic functions available in DrayTek routers, which can help troubleshoot some common issues. In the afternoon, we'll go through the DrayTek Vigor ACS3 network management platform, explaining its functions and operations, and we'll also have lots of practical hands-on sessions to help guide you in setting up and using Vigor ACS3 effectively. All necessary equipment and training materials are provided. All you need to bring is a laptop and yourself. Lunch and light refreshments are on us. Upon completion, receive a certificate of participation and a $300 credit note to go towards your next DrayTek purchase. Spaces are limited, so secure your spot today and take your network management skills to the next level. Link below to register and for more detail. Hope to see you there.